guys, welcome back to our channel again. Okay guys, it's what's rain? Maybe rain. Look at that. You can't see the road. We are going to locate because I need to buy something. So I needed that one. So I cannot. Oh, look at that. Dog, you cannot come. Again, look at that guys. Cannot see you. Yeah, you cannot see it. They had that. Not there. Not there. Nakakatakot. Nakakatakot. It's dangerous, no, when you're driving, it's like that. So, again, guys, we're going to locate. And it's raining. Look at that. It's raining. It's slippery. Oh my goodness. Pag nagmotor ka, tapos may sasakyan, nakko, wala na. Basa ka. Dito walang ulan. Here, no raining. Totally. But look at the sky. It's cloudy. I think this month is too much rain, no?
It's started less already. Not so much.
Late. There also in Philippines, no? How many days now it's raining also? It's cloudy guys. Pabagsak niya. It will come, the rain it will come also. Hi guys, sa wakas, sumupa na guys yung ulan. It's rain. Rain stop. Minit-init kanina. Umulan. Ayan na, tingnan nyo. Yung langit. Si Julie. Julie! Ako. Julie! Ah! Nakakatawa yung aking aso. This one in Philippines, we are cooking. I think this one guys, we are cooking in Philippines. Parang gabi. Hindi siya naman gabi. Ewan ko. There's one more. The purple one. Wait, I will show you. Ito guys, oh. Ito. Purple. Ang dami. Kinakain to, di ba? Ewan ko kung dito kinakain. You're eating here. There is something inside. If you dig, no, inside. There is something there. Ano ba tawag dun? Gabi. Gabi. Oh, ang ingay. Ano kaya? Ang ingay. Ibon. Hindi ko alam kung saan galing. Ibon. Julie, yeah. Come. Oh, ibon nga. Si Orlen. Yes, Orlen. The rain stopped already. That's why I just want to see, no? I keep out the cloth outside. Daming mga ano. The grass, look at the grass now. It's long. Because I come out, it's because I heard some bird. Too much loud. Oh, see?
No, that one is America bird.
American bird. That is American bird, guys. I will show you the video. I don't know if we have that.
We have. That was from the
Okay. It's like this one, no? The mouth is like a long one.
like this. I don't think.
Again.
No. Oh, I am painting already.
What you paint?
My favorite character. I'm not telling you.
What is your favorite character?
Mickey Mouse. I'm drawing.
Hmm.
I left it. Wait. I'm
Show
gonna
me.
try to.
Where you go? Tingnan nyo yung grass, guys. It's a long grass. Ang daming ano, may mga vegetable dyan yan, no? Julie, what happened? I want to go there, but I'm so scared. Oh, ayan. Mahangin na. Masarap ng ano, ho, buko. Sarap gawing ice cream. Julia, angay. Yeah. Come. Oh, mahangin. It's windy. Kunin natin to. Panggata. Nahulog to kahapon. Aya. Ah. Really? Ah. She want to play. Mainit. It's raining, then after that the sun is coming. Then after rain, little, then I need to remove the clothes. Right?
Because she doesn't know it was raining.
Of course, no. How I know? I was inside.
Should I show my Mickey Mouse?
1 minute. Show me.
It's not a Mickey Mouse.
It's not a Mickey Mouse. There is a long nose. What is? Show me.
It's
Look.
an elephant.
How come elephant?
Elephant.
What is this? What kind of drawing is this? What kind of animal?
You know which animal?
The plastic is coming inside. Julie! 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 I hope so the cloth it will dry before the rain will come again. Ayan, nabali yung ano. Oh. Nabali yung ano. Ano bang tawag dito? Parang bamboo siya, yung maliliit. Bulo yung tawag sa amin to eh. Nandito na sa ano. Ano na siya, natumba sa hangin. Kawawa yung aking ano ho. Yung aking ampalaya. Kawawa. See, I'm running. running.
Back to you. I'm running.
Back to you. Just before, guys, the sun is coming. After like 20 minutes, see, look. Rain is coming again.
Guys, I want to tell you something.
Don't step on
Guys,
it.
I want to
Don't step.
Guys, I want to tell you something.
Tell now.
Morning, sun raining, sun raining, sun raining, sun
Yeah, see, look now. This is what happened. Now 2 times I put outside the dress. No, no more. I will not put.
Now she will not put because it's raining too much. Gorde, 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 gorde.
I will not put.
Gorde.
I'm always running. Running back to you.
Maroon, maroon, maroon.
Look at that. Julie, yeah. Through there. Through.
It's raining.
Through. Julie, give me. Give. Yeah. There. Then.
It's not raining.
It's raining.
Mama, I tried.
Yeah. Give. Throw. Julie, here. She's tired now. She's tired. Take, Julie. Good girl. Keep it here. Keep there. Why you keep there? Julie, keep it down. Keep it down.
Why, look.
Yeah.
I thought I will go there and take it.
She want to play. She don't want to leave.
No. Wait, I'll wait.
No need that you just throw.
Wait. Let's see.
She will run.
Wait. Let's see who will go first.
Kick by your feet only. Okay, tumulan. Sige. She don't want to take. She don't want to give you.
Why?
Throw that side. Throw. Kick only na. You kick. Kick. Orlin. Come inside, it's raining. Go wash your hand.
Why?
Julie. She want to play that. She don't want to give you.
Oh, you don't want to do me. Now I got you. Okay.
She's tired now.
Wait.